Ewa I Walla, Spring Summer 2020, Delivery 2. Welcome to At Home with Madeleine Lee. 2020, Delivery 2, Ewa I Walla. Wow, Spring Summer, check this out. Look at these checks and the stripes. And look at this incredible blue voile skirt. Look, God, how gorgeous is that? And look at these little straps. And you can actually really adjust them really well, which I was really pleased. Look at that. Because sometimes it's just buttons and that doesn't do it always. And here now I can just adjust them. And I've got this lovely Ewa I Walla logo here, look, on the stripes. This is a must. I've got to have this one. And then you've got the shirt underneath, which is so, so soft. Let's look at the back. They've got a slip here, which is pretty genius for getting it on. And then it's got the straps at the back, obviously. I'm going to give you a pinafore twirl. And then you've got the striped shirt. This is in Delivery 2. And of course, this goes with the stripy bottom of the pinafore dress, which is rather genius. And oh, this is so cool. These voiles are lovely. They've got them in such beautiful colours. This blue is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to give you a stripy twirl now. And now this is a skirt, and it's kind of reversed. If you can see, you've got the stripy stuff up the top here, the checked here. And look at that lovely, the patches of the stripe. And then you've got your lovely logo just here, which I always love seeing their logo there. It's fantastic. It's got a really nice feel to this and a lovely flow to it. And then I'm wearing the blue beautiful shirt with it, the same one as the white one. And we're going to have a look at the back. It's quite plain at the back, but it doesn't need anything more, does it? I'm going to give you a 12. Now we've got the check dress with the stripy pocket with the Ewa I Walla here. And it's got, again, those lovely little layers here. I'm wearing it with the skirt. And then it's got this skirt underneath here, which has got the wires. And I love any skirt. This has got 2 wires, which is great because, you know, you put it like that and already you've got a massive big fullness here. And it's got pockets, of course, for the eggs. And this is the back. Oh, it feels really comfortable, and it's got this really nice feeling here of the being ruched. Very crunchy. It's definitely one of my little crunches. Again, another lovely check blue. This has got the plain blue here, and it's got a nice striped edging, and it's got pockets, and again it's got the little logo here. It's very lovely. And then here actually you've got buttons, so I can undo it if I want to be a little bit, you know, hey, darling, can I have a Ewa I Walla? Let me show you the back. The back here is plain. Doesn't need any more. It's so, so soft. It really is. I really recommend getting at least 1 or 2 or 3 of these dresses. And then this is another style. It's plainer, but it's really good. Again, this is what I'd use for doing all of my cooking and everything like that. It's always good to have one that's much more casual, so you're not worried about it too much. But I reckon these will wash beautifully, as with all Ewa I Walla. And the back is plain. And now it's not a twirling dress, but I will show you the leggings. The blue leggings are gorgeous. There's 2 types. There's this type. Really lovely, really stretchy, really fresh, and they're just a must-have in the spring. And when it gets hot, we change to these. Look, these are fantastic. And they've got that elasticated here, but really getting the leggings with all the, when you get the pieces with all the colours, does make a huge, huge difference. And they're so wearable and they last forever. I actually prefer these leggings with this. So this would be like my everyday dress. These are cool, aren't they? Jumping jack, jumping jack, jumping jack. I love it. Play suit. And I love the Ewa I Walla here as well. It's kind of 2 patches there. And this isn't a twirling dress, but I'm going to show you the back. It's great for playing ball. Right, this is the wheat outfit. It's such a warm, beautiful wheat yellow. I love it. And I'm wearing it with black. I'm wearing it from the net underskirt, from the tulle one rather, from autumn winter 2019. And they sell this in the shop in Ewa I Walla. And I'm wearing it with some old gloves. And I love it. I have like a bumblebee. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at the detail of this shirt here, with all the lace here and then these lovely bobbly bits here. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. Slightly plainer, but it's got this wonderful ridge at the end, and the skirt is gorgeous because it's got really stiff cotton underneath it. Again, it's got some wire, which is going to be fantastic, and then it's got this beautiful voile top. It's gorgeous, and I'm wearing it with the wheat tying skirt, and I'm going to give you a 12. I'm loving this outfit, and I've got the scarf with it, which is great. I've thrown it over the hat. And I'm wearing it with a different blouse, which I shall show you. Well, let me undo my scarf and show you the blouse. Okay, the blouse is gorgeous. It's got this like ribbed at the elbows, and then again, this wonderful detail here. It's quite got a good ribbing here. And if we look at the back, it's quite plain. It goes perfectly. It really is. Really such a beautiful warm, isn't it? Warm yellow. And I really like it with black. What do you think of this coat? It's got a jacket as well. Oh, it's beautiful. And look, it's got this back tie up. I love that. So you can really pull it in. Beautiful buttons. It's a perfect size M actually. This is great. And love it with the wheat colour. Give you a wheat twirl. Hello. Oh, this is the last of my wheat outfits. This is fantastic for a sundress. It's got these, again, this lovely tie-ups at the side, corset feel. You can tie them up. It's a bit loose there, but you can tie them up as much as you need to go. So soft. And I'm wearing it with a beautiful scarf and with my lovely sun hat. And I'm going to show you the back. The back's very plain. And, oh, it's so light. This is again an everyday dress, and I'm going to give you like a twirl with my twirling magical umbrella. This again, beautiful blue. It's so fresh. So if you're tired and you just want to make yourself bing, then all you need to do is put this dress on. It's lovely. It's really thick material. I think I've crumpled this, scrunched it up, and it's got lots of different detail here. Look, it's got the lace, and it's got this beautiful spotty lace here. And then it's got so much going on. It's lovely. Has it got a pocket? No, but I can live without that. I'm going to show you the back. The back is the same, I think, as the front. I teamed it up with white because I think white, and then I've got the blue on the skirt underneath, and I'm using their lovely scarf, which is great. And I'm going to give you a blue ocean twirl. Round and round and round we go with these long sleeves. Love them. They've got jumpers to go with every single colour, every single outfit, and this is blue one. And they have them in all the colours. Again, this is really lovely just for, I think I'll just again go to sleep in this. It's so soft, it's like a little nightie, it's gorgeous. In the house, you can wear it everywhere. It's got very lightly ribbed sleeves, lovely big pockets, lovely pleats, and it's what it feels like on actually. It's not a twirler. And then these leggings you can wear with them. It's very fresh. Very nice on a summer evening to sit there with your glass of champagne in the garden. I'm going to show you the back. Now we've got the Rhomb Voile. This is what this is called, the pattern. It's very, you can't see it in the pictures of the catalogue, but it's actually a very lovely fresh blue colour. And it's velvet here. It's got that lovely, lovely wheat velvet here. And this is a summer dress, isn't it? Just for hanging around. Show you the back. 12, 12, 12, 12. I've got some more to show you in this fabric. Here's the next one. It's very, very soft. It's very fresh, and I'm wearing it with the blue leggings. And it's got pockets, and it's great for just walking around and twirling. And then we've got the other one, which is shorter. This is my favourite one of them both, and it does have pockets, I think. I'm not sure if it does actually. I'm going to give you a 12. And now we have the Organdy special again. This is definitely the favourite, the dust pink in the Organdy. It's got so much gorgeous detail. Again, we've got those beautiful buttons that you could gobble up. All this lovely lace detail here. If you look here, look at the back, everything. And then it comes out at the waist here, which is lovely. You can either wear it with a belt or without. This is one of my belts, but you could just take it with anything. And then it's got the gorgeous Organdy skirt, look at that. And I'm wearing it with the mauve tying skirt. It's really like going to the ball, isn't it? I'm going to give you a ball gown twirl. And this is the other one, which has got a gorgeous slip underneath. Look, come and have a look. Look at that slip. That's underneath. It's so beautiful. I wish we could have a dress like that as well. And this is the top bit, which is gorgeous. I'm going to show you the back. There you are. It's got the buttons, hasn't it? Those lovely edible buttons at the back. I've got all my layers on with this. And the layers are exquisite. Look, come and have a look at all these layers. Sometimes when I go out to the market, I get people to count my layers and guess. And then, you know, at the vacances, I say, if you can guess my layers, I'll give you a kiss. And if you can't, you need to give me a present. And nobody actually ever normally guesses them, so I get lots of little presents. And here, again, look at this, gorgeous. I recommend one of each of these, because they go with everything, and I'm twirling the whole thing. And Eva thinks of everything. I mean, she does, doesn't she? She gives us the bloomers, she gives us the jumper, the gloves, the scarf, everything we need with the matching colours. She's a temptress, you are, Ewa I Walla. And this goes perfectly, of course, with the mauve. And I'm going to give you a little twirl. It's got the long sleeves. I just thought I'd show you this colour combination as well, because it goes really well with the wheat and with the mauve. I love it. So I mean, really, basically, all these colours are matching and twirling around together. I now have some stripy t-shirts to show you. We've got the stripy one with the stripy mauve and an unusual back here, very comfortable, very easy to put in. And then this is the other version, very, very soft, and it's got this quite unusual detail here on the side that kind of scrunches up a bit. And look how long it is at the back. Great for the beach. Just twirling with your bikini and into a blue stripe. And now I've got the beautiful coat on. It's lovely. And I've got this shirt, which is kind of cool. It's not actually really a shirt. It's got the shirt front and it's got a tiny little back, but I can't take the coat off because it won't be decent. This is gorgeous. Look at that. You can wear that with anything. And it's got that lovely tie on the sides, which is nice, so you can really bring it in around the waist. The back is lovely and plain and soft. I think I might roll those sleeves up a little bit to get that nice feel. And I'm wearing a pair of trousers underneath it. And they're quite comfy like this. Look at that. Like that, and very loose. Go well together, don't they? I'm going to give you, oh, there's my pocket. I'm going to give you a twirl. And this is a goodbye from delivery 2, Ewa I Walla 2020 Spring Summer, until delivery 3, which is only in 4 weeks' time. So we're very spoilt. We've got a whole other collection to have a look at. So have a great month until I see you then.